Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5101684 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to restart your PC. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart you can try to install the update. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click and then set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back and you can try to install. If you see retry option, you can try to install the update once again and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings once again, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. Pick a date, click on pick a date and you can select any date. This is just an example. You can select any date and pause the update. Now once the update is paused, you will see resume updates. Click on resume updates and let that update install and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5101684 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer, and in my case it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit x64 base processor. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5101684, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. Click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here. Click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. Now this process will take some time. Once this is done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.